The long-awaited day is here. Welcome to day 21 of the Advent Calendar series. Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and I am so excited to welcome you to another amazing unboxing. Madam Glam has gone all out with this calendar, but I know that this week is going to be extra special as it leads up to Christmas Day. So this number 21 is massive, y'all. This is basically the same size as the mini lamp. So I have no clue what we are going to get in there, but we already have had so many full-size products and so many show-stopping surprises. I can't even fathom what will be in here. So without further ado, let's get into the box. I think this box is really amazing. Either if you're just starting your collection out, or you're a huge Madam Glam fan and you want to try some limited edition products, and you will literally be set with this. Between the tools they gave you, the perfect foundation, base coat, top coat, you literally have everything you need. Oh lordy, that's a full-size bottle, y'all. Wait a minute. That says builder gel. What? Pearly white builder gel? What in the mermaid is going on right now? Madam Glam, I would never have guessed. Oh my goodness. Okay, I had to let the light hit it properly so you could see through to that pearlescence. Oh my days. If you know anything, I just had to show my phalanges. I love their builder gel in a bottle. I use it for all my overlays to keep my nails long and strong. And that means, y'all, I can use this beautiful mermaid. Oh, this is all the seashell, all the pearls, abalone shells. This is absolutely breathtaking. Okay, I cannot wait to start swatching this. Okay, so I know I've had a couple favorite days, but this by far is my absolute favorite thing I have unboxed so far. So I'm going to show you on my practice finger sunshine that you can work in very thin coats to get if you don't want to do a full overlay and you just want to use this almost like a polish, you can, or you can completely do a full nail extension with this builder gel. And I can already attest to you that it is so strong. And this is a soak off, y'all, so I am so impressed. And just like all of Madam Glam's products, they are vegan, 21 free formula, HEMA free, Leaping Bunny certified, and palm oil free. So just all of the amazing attention has gone into the ingredients. And this builder gel is breathtaking. I cannot wait to put this on my phalanges. It's going to be hard for me to want to cover this up. It is so beautiful. So you can either use it, literally, buff it out, top coat it, you're good to go. Or you can just use this as your overlay and you can do different designs. But I am so impressed. So remember when we were talking about the fact that Madam Glam gave you the perfect foundation? If you were putting this on your natural nails, you'd want to start off with a base coat. Then you'd put this beautiful, beautiful builder gel on. And then, you'd work out your apex, make sure you have it built out exactly how you want it. If you want to extend it, you can use a paper form. Or if you're very proficient with builder gels, you can use a dual form. And once you've built your nail out, you buff that. And then you can go straight in with your top coat, or you can do your nail art. But this builder gel is insane. When I talk about show-stopping pieces and colors out of this calendar, this is giving me frostbitten. This is all Queen Elsa. Whew. Baby, it is cold outside, but also we are under the sea with Miss Ariel. I cannot. Though I was playing detective and, I was playfully guessing here and there what this could be and what that could be, that was due to the fact that I opened the calendar last year. So with my already, I have amazing intuition about things. I would just made fun guesses, but I would have never guessed this. This is absolutely amazing, and I'm quite 1,000% sure this is limited edition. So I hope whomever was lucky enough to grab these calendars before they sold out, I hope you know how special you are to have this. And I hope that Madam Glam hears the excitement in my voice and brings this out, because this is breathtaking. Now, with day 2, I took out the no wipe top coat, and you can see right into that, that pearl, that abalone shell, the iridescency in this. It's so beautiful. So again, this is more than a 10 out of 10. This is like 1,000 ravens. This is so beautiful. Thank you, Madam Glam. You guys, the elves were busy. This has been my favorite day unboxed so far. Okay, so as you've heard me get so excited, I am a geek when it comes to builder gels. I love it. I know I'm not allergic, so I feel free when using it. I was wondering, Nail Family, what is your favorite product or form to use? Do you prefer acrylic? What's your favorite medium? Do you prefer polygel, builder gel, hard gel? I'd really love to know, because as a builder gel geek, this was a huge game changer. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for day 22. These surprises, they keep getting more and more earth-shattering, so I just can't wait to see. And there's another huge box we have, so there is a lot more Madam Glam magic in store. And now that I'm really building up a huge list of goodies, I'm going to start showcasing full sets. And I'm just so excited that we could share this together, because this has been so much fun. If you like anything that you've seen today, you can feel free to head over to madamglam.com, and all of the sisters' codes are in the description box below. Remember, family, do all things with love. I pray this video found you so well, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah!